Care be a Doctor Strange to Katrina. Sana ikaw yung magsasabi, I will love you in every possible universe. Kaya sa araw na ito ng kanilang pagtataling puso, ito ang magiging sentro ng aking mensahe para sa inyong dalawa. Care and Kat, be and remain in meaning to each other.
Tell me something when the rain falls on your face. And you quickly replace it with a golden summer.
Alam niyo, hindi naman mahalaga kung ilan ang buhay na mayroon kayo bilang mag-asawa. Hindi na mahalaga kung isa, hindi na mahalaga kung siyaman, hindi mahalaga kung 1,000 buhay. Pero isang katotohanan ang sigurado. Pinagtitipay ng Diyos na ang inyong buong buhay magiging ganap ng laan sa isa't isa.
Everything alright. Oh, I don't think that you even realize the joy you're making me feel when I'm inside your
Kat,
universe.
sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan,
Like I'm the one
tinitipan
who's
kitang
precious.
maging
I hate
aking
to break
baybakan
it to you, but
sa hirap at ginhawa,
the other
sa dusa at ligaya.
around.
Ikaw lamang ang iibigin
You can thank
at
your
itatanging
stars,
karugtong ng aking buhay, ngayon at
I'll
magpakailanman.
always be the lucky one. Tell me something.
Sir Kian, sa harap ng Diyos
Lose control.
at ng kanyang sambayanan, tinitipan kita
You
na maging aking asawa. Sa hirap at gunawa, sa dusa at ligaya,
gently calm me
ikaw lamang ang aking
down.
iibigin. At itatangang karugtong ng buhay, ngayon at kailanman.
Tell me something when you sing and when you laugh. Why do I always photograph my heart flying way above the clouds? Oh, I don't think that you even realize the joy you're making me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one who's precious.
Bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Care na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo,
You
Father.
can thank your stars or you want to burn.
Care, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib sikat na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay? Opo, Father.
Oh, I don't think that you even realize the joy you're making me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be
Pagsaluhan ninyo ang siyam na buhay na walang hanggan. Masayang tumadyak sa kaloob ng Diyos na bagong buhay na panghabang buhay.
The lucky one.